Welcome to Mighty Spriggle's channel. Today we journey to Australia to meet the amazing creature. It is a journey of epic proportions, a testament to the enduring power of nature. Here, on the vast, sun-scorched plains of Australia, a life begins, almost impossibly small. We witness the birth of a small joey, and after sometimes it turns into a giant, basically muscle with legs. This is the story of the kangaroo. The beginning is a miracle of miniaturization. At the moment of its birth, a baby kangaroo, or joey, is a fragile, embryonic creature. It is no larger than a single jelly bean. It is utterly blind. It is hairless. It is pink, a mere whisper of the powerful animal it is destined to become. This tiny being must now embark on the most perilous journey of its life, a blind, instinctive climb through its mother's fur. It reaches the safety of her pouch. Once it arrives, the pouch becomes its entire universe. This deep, warm pocket is a sanctuary, shelter, warmth, constant nourishment. Inside, the joey latches onto a teat. The teat swells, holding it securely in place. Here, it drinks rich, life-sustaining milk tailored by its mother. For many months, this is the joey's world, a hidden existence. Quiet, uninterrupted growth, far from prying eyes and the harsh outside. The joey does little more than sleep and feed. Its body slowly transforms within its living cradle. Gradually, the world begins to reveal itself. After months of secluded development, the joey's eyes finally open. A new curiosity awakens. At first, a brief glimpse, a small head cautiously pokes out from the pouch. It surveys a strange, sunlit landscape. These excursions become more frequent and last a little longer each time. As the joey leaves the pouch for good, its transformation into an adult accelerates. It is a journey toward immense strength and incredible efficiency. The adult kangaroo is a masterpiece of biological engineering, built for survival in a land of extremes. Its most defining features are its enormous hind legs. These are not merely for standing, they are powerful springs, packed with long elastic tendons. This anatomy allows the kangaroo to bound across the landscape with remarkable grace and speed. The iconic hop is not just for show, it is an astonishingly energy-efficient method of travel, far more so than running on four legs at similar speeds. Every part of its body is perfected for this unique form of locomotion. The long, muscular tail, thick at the base, tapering to a point, acts as a crucial counterbalance during high-speed leaps. It is also used as a third leg, a prop to lean on when standing still, during slow, five-limbed grazing. A large red kangaroo, the biggest of all marsupials, can cover more than 8 meters in a single fluid bound. When threatened, it can reach speeds of over 60 kilometers per hour, a blistering pace that allows it to outrun many of its natural predators. This ability to move swiftly across vast, open terrain is fundamental to its existence. Life on the plains requires constant vigilance, and an adult kangaroo's senses are finely tuned for this purpose. Its large ears can swivel independently, capturing faint sounds from all directions, listening for the telltale crack of a twig that might signal a dingo's approach. Its high-set eyes provide a wide, panoramic field of view, allowing it to scan the horizon for danger while it grazes. Even its sense of smell is keen, able to detect the presence of water and predators from a distance. Kangaroos are profoundly social creatures. They gather in groups known as mobs. These mobs are dynamic, organized societies. They provide safety in numbers. A mob can be just a handful of animals or well over 100. Within this collective, there is a clear structure. A dominant male, often the largest and strongest. He typically presides over the group and has primary access to the females. This framework is the bedrock of their survival. Life in the mob is shared, governed by subtle communication and cooperation. While the group grazes peacefully, there is always at least one individual standing alert, head raised, ears swiveling. If a threat is detected, a sharp foot stomp thumps the ground. The alarm is unmistakable, It puts the mob on high alert and often triggers a coordinated high-speed retreat. This vigilance lets members spend more time feeding, secure that many pairs of eyes and ears are better than one. Social bonds are reinforced daily. Kangaroos groom one another with their small front paws. Grooming removes parasites and strengthens relationships. Mothers care for their joeys with patience. Young kangaroos play, wrestling and chasing games. These interactions build social skills and coordination for adult life. The mob is a classroom and a fortress. On the coast, kangaroos sometimes have surprising encounters. They graze on beach grasses. Their world meets the sea. They may feed meters from a colony of seabirds or a seal basking on sun-warmed rocks. The kangaroo is not just an inhabitant of the Australian landscape, it is one of its principal architects. For millions of years, these large herbivores have shaped their environment. As grazers, they act as nature's lawnmowers, opening space for diverse plants. Their droppings fertilize the soil, their tracks become wildlife corridors, and in drought they dig soaks that save lives. But dangers abound: dingoes and eagles, bushfire and drought, roads and fences, and conflict with farming. A complicated coexistence. Despite the challenges, the kangaroo remains important to people. For Indigenous Australians, it holds deep cultural meaning. It appears in Dreamtime, rock art, and ceremony. It is a source of identity, a totem, and a resource. Today, it is a national symbol seen around the world. Kangaroos also support tourism, food, and leather industries. Across Australia, they thrive from arid plains to forests and farms. Tree kangaroos even leap through rainforest canopies. Some smaller relatives are endangered and need protection. Their future depends on conserving habitat and safe corridors, driving carefully and working with communities. From tiny joey to giant of the plains, a life to cherish and protect. Please like, share and subscribe to Mighty Spriggles.